Uplands and Ludfield section, he's closed up a little bit. Then it's the 8 cars, They are heading all a bit of a slide from Ollie there in second place. Back end of the Lowland got away from him just a touch. He controlled it well, but it cost him a little bit. The gap may have gone up a touch. These guys are putting on a wonderful display. Over the curves goes Alex. Don't get too carried away. He's pushing on hard, and it's best to stay off the curves in the wet like this. But Ollie Bryant's giving in a bit of pressure. There's no doubt about it. In the dry earlier, Alex had quite a big advantage with his car, but in the wet, he hasn't quite got the same level of advantage, although he is now beginning to open that gap up. Ollie Bryant was the faster of the pair though, on the whole lap by about 4/10 of a second. Fastest lap therefore for him at this stage. Now Bradshaw's moving up. He's got up into 6th place. Tom Bradshaw, we reckon he might be going well in these conditions, and sure enough, although he's away back from the leaders, Bradshaw will now be chasing after the car of number 47 car of Nick Pitt, who's now in the car that Chris Foxberg earlier. There is Tom Bradshaw, just going through the loop and through H3, and he's now also, down number 58 now. Actually, that was a decent lap with a 2:18.0 as opposed to 2:19.4 for Ollie Bryant. So that has allowed Rundle a gap of 2.3 seconds as his advantage. These two well clear of the third place car, which we believe is Simon Hadfield driving. Tom Bradshaw now in fourth, but he's got 8 seconds to make up between himself and Hadfield. So whether he can get a podium out of this, 5, 6, 20 seconds to go. I still think Tom could well put some pressure on him, but he's only about 2 seconds faster on that last lap. Mind you, he was doing both taking. So we'll get a clearer picture, I think, on this next lap as to the outright pace that Tom has got. And in the meantime, we're seeing a few changes further down the order as well. So that's the third place start.